What does number 20 say?
Use summation notation to write series 6.6.
Oh, hold on. I'm on the wrong thing. I'm so confused.
You made 2 of them, remember? You made us 2 study guides. We're going to do one today.
Oh, yes, thank you very, very much. All right. Well, this is... Okay. All right, one more time. Y'all, we're on number 20, and it says, use summation notation to write this series right here. This is the number 20 we're on? Thank you. Okay, yeah, because I did make 2, and I'm like not seeing the right thing. All right, summation notation. So the first thing you have to do is figure out a formula, right? And are we adding the same thing? I'm guessing we are. Yeah. So first of all, what are we adding every time?
You're adding
8.8. I knew it was either 8.8 or 6.6. But anyway, so she says we're adding 8.8. So my summation notation, first of all, I'm going to use my formula. So I take my first term. If you remember, we take our first term plus n minus 1 times d. That's going to give us our formula. Okay? So what is my first term?
6.6.
6.6 plus n minus 1 times, what was our common difference? 8.8. What do you do with that 8.8? Distribute. So that's 8.8n minus 8.8. So what do we get for our formula? It looks like it's going to be 8.8n and a negative 2.2. Do y'all see that right here and here?
Yes, ma'am.
So, and then our series goes for 5 terms. So it goes from 1.
Wait, you're going really fast.
Sorry. Okay. So did you get this part right here?
Yeah, I'm here.
So when you combine the 6.6 and negative 8.8, what do you get?
Negative 2.2.
So negative 2.2 plus 8.8n. So the next thing I said was that matches those 2 things, right?
Yeah.
Then, how many terms does it say we're looking for? 5. So it goes from 1 to 5. Because we always start from 1 until they use number 22, and then they just want to do something crazy. But when we're writing the summation notation, it's always going to be from 1 to whatever.
Is this one you can put in your calculator?
Yeah. So it looks like number
You put
21, 22, and 23
I think
can all
21 is
go
26.
in your calculator.
And then 22 is D.
So let me see. I'll do 21 with y'all, and then I think y'all can probably handle the others. So I go to math.
It is right out there.
Not B.
It's thundering. Sum from 1 to 4. Oops. X equals 1 to 4 of x plus 4. And y'all, this one would actually be easy to do without putting it in the calculator. It would just be 1 plus 4, plus 2 plus 4, plus 3 plus 4, plus 4 plus 4, plus 5 plus 4. Anyway, and it is 26, Ryder. You were correct. All right. Do I need to do 22 and 23? Do y'all just want the answers?
Let me see. I'm on.
Okay, yeah. Go. You can try it.
We need 3 of those on the test.
I'll go through in a minute and see. Your second paper that I have for y'all to study looks just like your test.
Which one?
The one I'm about to give y'all after we finish this one, I have a second study guide. Look, y'all don't have to do it. Okay, you don't, but it's just there, yeah, and I can give y'all all the answers. It's just there for practice, and it looks just like the test. Okay, this is, I don't know. We'll look at that in a second when I give you the second study guide. Okay, 22 was D and 23 is A. Are y'all good with those? Okay, and you're good with me not doing those. 24, I'm going to show you how to find the sum with a formula, but what's another way you can do this? Just add them up, and I would probably do it that way. Do y'all want me to show you? Let's just...
Wait, do you do the same formula you do to like...
24 is the same as 25 and 26.
Is it like A plus...
It's
or,
A1 and then over.
It's our geometric, because it says it's geometric now. So what is the geometric series formula? It's S sub n equals...
We will have this on the.
This is on the other, yeah, A1 times 1 minus to the n over 1 minus r. Right? Is that right? And yes, this one will be on the board. Okay, that's our sum formula. So y'all, even though you can just add 24 just like it is, I want to go ahead and just kind of do it for practice, okay? And then we'll do 25. Yeah, there's all your answers. That's fine. We'll look at those in a second. So 24, I would do, what's your first term? 1. This is number 24 right here. So that's my first term times 1 minus, what am I multiplying by? 4.
4.
Yeah. And then to the n, how many terms are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Over 1 minus 4. So you put 1 minus 4, or you can put just name it 3. Now, just be super duper careful about how you type that in your calculator. Me,
5,460.
for this? For 24?
Yeah.
It's gonna be probably about.
One, they got,
No, I
It'll be
put
around.
1. Wait, I thought... Never mind, I was wrong. Because I put 1 as my first number.
so I'm going to do a big fraction like this, and then I'm just going to do 1 minus 4 to the 6th. I'm not multiplying it by 1, right? Because that's just what it was. And then down here, instead of putting 1 minus 4, I'm just going to put negative 3. And I get 1,365.
How come I got that? But I got a decimal.
It says 1,365 point.
6, 6.
I do not know. That's weird.
Okay, let's try...
Okay, yeah, now y'all are going to do the same thing for 25, okay? I want y'all to use the same formula for 25. I'll erase the bottom part. Y'all need me to help plug it in yet, or do y'all want to? Here's 25. The R, what are you multiplying by? Negative 4. So be careful. Make sure you put that in parentheses.
And then the n would be 7. That's what I'm trying to find.
Your N is, yes, they tell you. There's 7 terms. I wish I had a jacket. A sweatshirt.
How do you get the nice parentheses? Alpha link.
Yeah, the green and then the button next to it. Or mine's green. I don't know what color yours is.
Okay, what's the answer?
For number 20, what are we on? 20,
Oh, wait, 25, yeah.
25 is,
I didn't know it was multiple choice.
okay.
It just looked wrong.
And it's written right here. It's just sideways. Did y'all get it, or do I need to go over it?
I got it.
Everybody got A? Do I need to go over 26? Or do y'all want to try that one?
If you want to, just repeat measure.
Y'all want me to do that one with you? Okay, 26. My first term is 1. And it's 1 minus, what's my rate? What am I multiplying by? 2. And how many terms are there? 10. And over 1 minus 2. So if I just put all that in my calculator. So I would get, I'm not going to put the 1 again. I'm just going to do 1 minus 2 to the 10th over -1, or 1 minus 2, okay? And I get 1,023. And that's what they got for 26. How is that? We're good?
Do you have any more tissue?
I have a box right here. You're welcome. 27. Okay, how would you do 27? Yeah, type in your calculator and y'all tell me what you get. Which the answers are right here if you want to compare. Y'all, if I'm going too fast on something, tell me. These don't seem as bad though. Okay, are we good? What did y'all get for 27? Did y'all get C? Did anybody not get that? Okay.
Me?
You didn't? What did you get? Did you type it in your calculator?
Yeah, it's not great.
You got what?
Something right.
Let me
But why did my X go up there when I did it to the exponent? Like so high.
yeah, it should be.
It's off.
Oh, yeah. Oh, because you did 6 times 2. You have to do 6. Let me go back up here. This is what you have to type just what's right. 6 times 2 to the x.
I got it right.
That's what it has to look like. Now try it and see. See, it has to be just like what they have. Now see if you get the right answer.
I do.
You
But
do.
They have the 6 not parentheses.
Well, no, but it's only the 2 raised to the x, not 12 raised to the x. They didn't want you to multiply 6 and 2, and that's what you did. They just wanted you to be able to tell, hey, 6 is out here, 2 is the only thing with the x above it. That's why they did the parentheses like that, to help you know. Is everybody? Huh?
Can you put like 100 of those?
No, but I'm trying to think. I don't even know how many are on the test. We'll see in just a second. Number 28, it says in June, Corey begins to save money for a video game and a TV that he's going to buy in December. He starts with $20 and he plans to save 10% more than the previous month. How much money will he have at the end of December? So, y'all, this is the one that, John, I figured it out. Because you weren't here that day when I was telling them how to do that problem. If I use my geometric equation, okay? Are you just adding it up? You had to do, how many months?
If you're counting June. Are you
It's-
counting June with it, like June, July?
Yeah, I would think you would be in June. You start saving. So June is your first month. July, August, September, October, November, December. Because it's at the end of December. So are you still saving money in December? Yes. So it is 7. Your time is 7. What's your rate? 1, and it's 1.10.
Oh,
Alright.
yeah, right.
So your rate is going to be 1.10. We said the time is 7 months. And what's our starting amount? 20. This is kind of the information that we're plugging in to this formula. It was
The formula we just used, right?
yeah, this same formula. So what's my first term?
20.
That's the 20. So look, I'm going to replace that with the 20. My rate is actually 1.10. The reason you have to put the 1 is because if you don't, then it's gonna make it decrease. The one, you have to take it above 1 for it to be an increase. And it says
7.
more. And then N is 7. Well, I can't get it. There it is. So, and let's hope to goodness this works, because y'all know I had my fair share of problems on these last time. Okay, 20 times 1. And what is our answer? It is D. Is that what y'all got, was D? Okay, good.
Is that what 29C? Because diverges means it has to be bigger than 1, right?
Number 29 means that you have to be multiplying. Yeah, diverge means it's bigger than 1. Converge means that it was between 0 and 1. Let me erase this one. Hold on. Let me work it ahead. All right. What are you multiplying to get to each next term? Well, the top number you're multiplying by 1. What's the bottom number? Times 2. If that number is, we're looking at only positive numbers. If it's negative, don't consider the negative. Is that number smaller than 1?
Yes.
Yes, then it's going to converge. Okay, so it converges because it has a sum.
So if it had like negative.
Even if it was negative 1/2, you ignore the negative. All you're looking at is that number between 0 and 1. Okay, then it converges. If it's bigger than 1, it diverges and it doesn't have a sum.
So
this
the
one we're
answer will
multiplying by
never be-
3.
The answer will never be A or D.
Yeah, because that doesn't work. Yeah, that doesn't even make sense. It converges to a sum or it diverges, has no sum. Okay, that's that paper. Now what I have for you, y'all, is the
Wait, we have one more.
Just graduated and everything.
I just did it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I already paid attention, I guess. This one you're multiplying by what?
3.
3. So it what?
Diverges.
Diverges doesn't have
Can
a
I go to
sum.
the bathroom before we
You
start
may.
this next paper?
Well, I'm just gonna pass it out. Y'all can ask questions, compare.
We're not closing.
No, I'm just gonna give y'all
So do
Y'all
you
want
have
just
to
for
put
reference?
participation.
Do you have to put that it would be multiplied by 3 on that one?
No, I'm just showing y'all that it's bigger than 1.
And then you have to put no sum.
No, you can just put converge. Well, it says explain. I mean, I just put diverge. I would put diverge because it's bigger than 1 is what I would put. But I'm really just looking for converge or diverge. All right, let me stop our video. Are y'all cold?